I'm Alex and I went to Poland Seminary High School. High school for me was an experience. I really enjoyed it. I made a lot of friends and sports especially taught me a lot, but learning like math and science and all that, I never really was big into that. And then I went to NCST and I think I've learned a skill that I'm going to use for the rest of my life and something that I really enjoy. Definitely, I would recommend NCST because they care about their students a lot and they have a lot of great instructors here with a lot of great knowledge and a path that can be handed down to you and handed down to people beyond you. They were willing to take the time to individually look at my progress, and if I ever needed help, they were willing to come into my booth, show me an example and watch how I was doing it as well to tell me, all right, you have to do this and change that. Where in high school it was always, you're in a really big group, you're in one big classroom and it's kind of everyone's following the same orders, and if you fall behind, it can be really easy to stay behind. It's over time that you learn not to do this, you learn not to do that, and you learn to be a leader. If the guy next to you needs help, you might as well help him because you're not just helping him, but you're also helping yourself. There's a lot of great opportunities here to learn and to grow as a person, and there's a lot that can be used in this grade.